Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I've been doing today. Just started weeding it. I've given the grass a quick mow over. It needs tidying up and some more grassy putting down, but this board is a perennial board that I put in last year. I put a few annuals in like dahlias, which are really perennial as long as you dig them up, but I left them in, most of them. The ones I wanted to take cuttings off I took into the greenhouse. But I'm going to be showing you how to get your penstemons ready for spring. We've got some really nice weather coming in the next few days. I've left these tall, which should do over the coldest bit of winter, so they have a better chance of surviving. Use my snips here. These are really sharp, really good quality steel. So all I'm going to be doing is just cutting back. I'm not cutting them right back to the bottom. I should cut them probably 8 inches from the bottom. So actually just above 2 new shoots there. The main stem here, get in there like so, and then just all the way around there. Like I said, you don't want to be going mad because you could still get some cold weather. So yeah, all the side shoots. You can see here, this is a penstemon, a small one from last year. Even that one survived, which is great. But yeah, now I've pruned that back. Just get the dead leaves, dead branches from last year up. Weed all the way around it, like so. And like I said, this should, now I'll give it a feed over the next few days. And once all this starts, you see all the new growth starting this year, once I feed this, this will really kick into life. And it's a beautiful one. I think this is a purple or red one with a white centre. Really nice. See my other penstemons here, or the bits I haven't weeded yet. See them here. We have had quite a mild winter really. So there's one there, one over there. I think there's a couple here as well. Yeah, see how tall the shoots are there. So yeah, that's how to prune back your penstemons in spring, ready for it to get started growing. If you've got any questions about penstemons or anything else in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like videos, please subscribe. And thank you very much for watching, everybody. And please give me a like, thumbs up. I do appreciate it. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.